Alrighty, let me show you how to use one of our game changers. Whenever you see the word game changer, it means that there are multiple ways to use that SVG, and instead of creating a ton of different SVGs for you, we decided to bundle it all into something magical for you. So here's an example of what one will look like on our website, and if you click it, it will download. I am just going to do the sports game changer so you guys can see how to mess with it and how to work with it when it goes into Cricut Design Space. Go over to Cricut Design Space, we're going to create a new project. We're going to click upload image. I'm going to drag and drop that and upload it. So when you upload SVGs, they come into your project quickly. They're not going to send you through that whole process of background deleting and all those things. So you're going to see this, and this is a sports game changer because basically you can change it to be whatever sport and whatever family member you are of that sport. So I'm going to just have the whole thing clicked, and you can see that it's all highlighted over here in gray. That means that it is grouped. So I'm going to ungroup it. And what I want to do is just grab what I want. So let's say I want to be a baseball Auntie. I'm going to grab those two and delete these. Now these are two different layers, so I can play around with the sizing how I want it to be. And to visualize it, I can change my colors. So let's say I want baseball to be in pink, Auntie to be in black. I can also change these so that Auntie is nice and small and nests right there. I can change it over here. So these are really great if you're making things and selling them because you can change them up from everybody else. You can overlay them if you want to. You could slice it or do a offset on it if you wanted. And I would make this offset just a little bit smaller. Maybe like that, apply that, change that to white, and then I could slice that out of baseball by dragging over both and slicing. And then baseball will have a nice opening, and I could put Auntie back in there like this. So I could do it like that. So these really are super fun game changers, and they are designed for you, obviously, to make them the way that you want, but they're also designed for my business members and commercial use rights members that want to make some really cool, unique pieces, but also be able to offer different options for people. Like maybe you got an order for football Auntie or football grandma, or a whole family that wants football, and you want to add their number or their jersey number to this, you could do that as well. So we have lots of game changers coming out for you guys, and I'm not going to be filming tutorials on how to use all of them, but just know that when you see game changer, even if you're purchasing them from my Etsy store, they are more expensive because this is the versatility of them, but as a member you get them. So they are really cool, and I want to see what you're doing with them, so make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see your projects.